Okay, I'm going to show you how to do the puff stitch. I have a foundation row here that I've done. After you've done a foundation row, you're going to chain 2 at the end of your row. Turn your work and to start the first puff stitch, you're going to do it in the 4th space from your chain, from your hook. 1, 2, 3, 4. So right there. To start it, you yarn over, put it through that space, draw up your yarn. You're going to do this 3 times. So that was 1. Yarn over into the same space, pull your yarn through. That's 2. Yarn over in the same space, pull your yarn up and through. Then you're going to pull your yarn over, pull your yarn through all of those on your hook, and then you will chain 1, and that's to tighten your puff stitch. Now, to do your next sequence, you'll skip your first space. You'll do it in the 2nd space. So yarn over, put through the 2nd space, draw your yarn up, that's 1. You're going to do this 3 times. Yarn over, put through the same space, draw it up on your hook, yarn over. You're going to do it 1 more time, and you're going to pull that up through. Now you'll yarn over, and you'll pull that through all of the yarns on your hook. You'll chain 1 or a slip stitch. Then you will do the same thing again. Skip your first space, yarn over, put it through the 2nd space, pull that yarn up. That's 1. Yarn over, same space, pull that yarn up, yarn over. That's 3. Pull your yarn up, then yarn over, and you're going to pull that through all of the yarns on your hook. Then you do a slip stitch or a chain, and then you're going to do it one more time, and you'll continue this till the end of the row. So we're going to do a yarn over. We're going to skip our first one, go into the 2nd space, bring that yarn up, yarn over, bring that yarn up, that's 2, yarn over, bring that yarn up, that's 3. Now yarn over and bring that yarn through all of the loops on your hook. Do a slip stitch or a chain, and there you're starting your puff stitch. I'll continue this to the end of the row, and